This is the beginning of my crate pallet furniture. So this is the couch, and this is the gazebo, and that is my divider for my yard. Yeah, and I already have that table. And there it is, the beginning of my patio furniture. Only thing now is I have to clean it and paint it, and then put the pillow cushions on there, and some other pillows to make it look really fluffy. I may do a back on both of them, because so I can have something to lean the pillows on. But this is the beginning of my beautiful yard transformation. Okay. So stay posted, and I'm going to show you the end result. Well, maybe some in between too. So I want to update everyone about what my project I'm doing. Making pallet furniture for patio furniture. This is what God gave me to do. It's because I wanted patio furniture. So He wasn't making it a way to get one. He wants me to make it with my hands, which is great because I'm very creative. So this is the beginning of it. I already cut the pallets in half, and I arranged them. Now I'm going to take them and file them down. They have all my little supplies and stuff that I need. You just hand sander, sand it down smooth, and then I'm gonna paint it, each one of them individually with this red wood stain by Glidden. So give me a nice brown color like that. And eventually I'm going to put backs on them. But right now I'm planning to make cushions to put on the chairs. And now this here will be my privacy gate to separate, so that we can have privacy, me and my neighbor. So this is a gate I bought off of Marketplace on Facebook, and I cut one pallet in half. So I'm going to now nail this together, so this will stand right here as a block just for privacy. So I'm letting you guys see kind of from the beginning, but here you go. So the beginning of my yard decoration. Stay tuned, guys. And the sun is down right now, so it won't be splinters when someone sits on it. And on the front part right here, which is all going to be painted anyway, but and have pillows on top, but just in case, in between, no one will get splinters. And so like that's done. I'm gonna have to repair this little piece right here, probably with some wood glue later. Okay. So now I'm about to paint these things right now. I got them on this plastic, and I'm paint it again with that red wood stain. Let's get started. I got one kind of done already on the first coat. Now I'm gonna do this one, let them dry, do a second coat, and start working on these. Guys, it's me, Jackee Love, still plugging away at my project. I don't know if you can see those, it's kind of dark over here, but I did the first and second coats. I gotta do some repairs on that one and that one, but I don't have the right size nails right now. This part here also needs to get some wood glue or some screws or nails. I don't have the right size. But I decided to paint the bricks too, so they'll be the same color. This is what I'm sitting the pallets on, so it's going pretty good. It's out here just enjoying my fire and my boss. You, Michael Jackson. So it's coming along. This is my project so far. I'm about to go get some more wood so I can keep the fire going. Guys, look at. It's not finished yet, but I'm kind of set it up just until I get everything painted. And so this is kind of a preview of how it's going to look when I get finished. I still need to repair these little pieces here and make the pillows and finish painting in there. Decided to paint this table and the bricks as well. That's holding this side up. This one didn't need it. So I gotta finish that too. So I'm excited. And yeah. So what do you think so far? All right. The journey continues. I got it myself. Yay! Here is, I don't want to say the finished results, but this is the beginning of the finished results of my yard, my place of refuge. And I just want to share y'all with you guys so far what I've done. I'm so proud of it. These winds keep it dusty, but other than that, I wipe it off at night and sit on it and have a bonfire here. That's going to be 2 layers coming soon, and I'm going to fill this up more with rocks and pretty flowers. Oh, floss flowers. Can you tell if it's real? More to come with my shed. A bigger barbecue pit, and then I'm going to erect my canopy. And so it's more to come, guys. Stay tuned. I'm so proud of my yard. I'm a dragonfly.